Welcome back. Back again. Yes, I'm back. Hello, friends. Welcome back. Hello. How are y'all doing? Fine, I hope. Happy Monday. We made it to 2K. Congratulations. Thank you, family, for being A1 Day 1 supporters. Now, I know y'all like, girl, where's the video? Where's the vlog? What happened? I got sick. We're going to talk about it. I got sick Tuesday night. I don't know how. I don't know what it was. Randomly, I got sick. From Tuesday night. What did I have, you ask? Some type of bug, some type of whatever. But I also had strep throat. So your girl was out for the count. My sister did a reel. I seen it. It was beautiful. I should have been there, but I was sick and I couldn't do it. So that's that. And this is a 18-inch. Now let me give y'all the deets. Of course, I'm gonna look on this phone and give you the deets because why not, right? So it's a wear and go Afro kinky curly lace front wig. Human hair 6x4 HD lace Afro curly wig for women. Lace pre-cut glueless wig. Human hair pre-pluck. We gonna see if it's giving what it's supposed to give, because I'm bare face, no lashes, nothing. Let's get into it. So that's how y'all know your girl was out for the count. Because I would have had my lashes and everything done, but girl. But I did get my nails done. And I hope y'all like that video. Now, of course, I'm going to do what I need to do to maneuver it. But I missed y'all. And when I miss y'all, I have to come back. And I don't like to come back without giving y'all some sleep. But the tea is I get a lot more collaborations on TikTok. So I haven't left y'all. I'm just on TikTok because I got to do what I got to do. Can't cry, I'm getting paid. Can't do what I got to do. So what we going to sort? Ooh, y'all, that is pretty. That is pretty, and it's not even wet. Oh, my. Okay. That's pretty. That's I'm going to throw it on. We're going to see. Normally, yeah, let's adjust this a little bit. Let's just adjust the band. Wrong end. I was at the wrong end. I need it falling off. But this is the band. Now let's put her on and go. Oh. Uh, okay, of course I'm gonna have to get my hot comb and do just a little bit more to it. But y'all, do y'all see that? Do y'all see? Give me a minute. Plug it up. So, do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Do y'all like that? That is so gorgeous. See you in the next ones.